Hello, dear Bengali learner. Welcome to our new lesson. Last lesson we read. We talk in the last lesson we talk about how we will read all of this alphabet, and now we'll start our main class. In this part, we will learn the vowel. I said it before. In Bengali, there have two parts. One is called Sharbarna. We call it vowel, and second one is called Byanjan Barna. We call it consonant. So in vowel section, today we'll learn just one alphabet. Today we'll learn just one alphabet and the pronunciation of this one alphabet. Okay, now we'll learn the pronunciation of this sound. We call it like sound. We call it like in English we can call it short o. I give you the example. Ko la o like this. Ko, like you look here. Ko here, look at the o sound. Ko la it's mean banana. And second example, we can call it like jol it's mean water. The alphabet is o. We can also call shore o. The sound is like o, shore o. The sound is shore o, or you can also just call o. Kola, we can call it kola. We can use the word. The example of this sound, kola, it's mean banana. And the second word is jol mean water. In Bangladesh, we usually use, instead of jol, pani. We use pani. Instead of jol, we use pani. Pani and jol, they're similar, but we use this word instead of jol. Like mostly, but all of the people understand the jol, but we usually use pani. So today we may finish our lesson here. In the next day we may learn new alphabet, and don't forget to subscribe.